Sima is officially out of spreading humors, but fans are not buying the reason, and some are convinced that MacG actually fired her. Let's talk about what really happened. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're into podcast and chill, spreading humors, and all things SA entertainment, you're in the right place. Now, this situation, it caught a lot of people off guard. So recently, Sima's departure from spreading humors was officially confirmed, and it came as a shock, especially because the network just introduced a new era and reshuffling not so long ago. Everything seemed fine until suddenly she's gone. During the discussion, MacG actually asked the producer Dudu what's going on and why Sima left the show. According to Dudu, the reason is simple. Sima is focusing on her personal growth. She's running her lip gloss business, and on top of that, she has launched her DJ career, which is apparently taking off fast. In fact, she's said to be booked and busy. But here's where things get interesting. A lot of people believe there's more to the story, and some are even saying that MacG might have fired her. And the reason is Sima's comments about Scandal. They think this has to do with Sima's comments about Scandal. If you remember, she made remarks about the show's low quality cameras, and that sparked a lot of conversation online. Now, some fans believe that those comments may have caused tension behind the scenes and possibly led to her exit. Now, personally, I don't fully buy that. MacG has said way more controversial things throughout his career, and he understands how podcasting works. So firing Sima over that, it doesn't completely add up. But here's what we do know for sure. Sima herself has confirmed on her social media platforms that she's no longer part of spreading humors. So whether she left or was pushed out, one thing is clear, she's gone. Now the question is, who is going to replace her? According to Dudu, there's no permanent replacement yet. They'll be bringing in different guest hosts, testing their energy, and then deciding who fits best. But let's be real, replacing Sima won't be easy. She brought a very unique vibe to the show. So I want to hear from you. Do you think Sima really left to focus on her career? Or do you believe she was actually fired? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SA Entertainment updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.